So enjoying the racing on the laptop because we haven't got Sky on the TV. Sitting here, just the start of a lovely evening, and we have got intimidation going on.
Oh, he's hiding now.
As in both windows, we have these two massive, beautiful seagulls. There they are, a pair of them. As I walk away.
Well, it's the truth. You know, it's again a lot of people putting in a lot of efforts, and there's been doubters along the way, which I could appreciate.
There he is.
Hopefully, I'm convinced we'll prove them all wrong. But it's not about that. It's about
Here he comes
the 800 great people we have working for us, the great team that everybody's put together.
Yeah, she's sitting on the sun lounger.
Channel all of our passions.
Unbelievable.
Great team.
Fantastic job by your son today, as you mentioned.